Samsung Galaxy S21 case with 2-pack self-healing flexible TPU screen protector and camera lens protector. Military grade 3-in-1 heavy-duty case for Galaxy S21 5G features. Brand YKHJKLEC compatible phone models. Samsung Galaxy S21 color black/gray. Compatible devices. Samsung Galaxy S21 6.2. Material silicone, thermoplastic, polycarbonate. Compatible phone models. Compatible with Samsung Galaxy S21 6.2-inch, not compatible with Galaxy S21 Plus/S21 Ultra/S21 FE. Please confirm your cell phone brand and model before purchasing. Enhanced screen and camera protection. Samsung Galaxy S21 case is designed on the 2.5 and 2 mm edges of the camera and screen, which effectively prevents it from being scratched, can better protect the camera and screen. Durable material. Galaxy S21 case adopts 3-in-1 design made of high-quality silicone and PCPC, will withstand accidental drops, bumps, and shocks. Rubberized textured case adds protection and makes gripping your Galaxy S21 safe and easy. Precision design. Samsung S21 case easy access to buttons, speaker, charging port, and all other functional ports with dust plug, can protect the charging connector and prevent dust or dirt from entering. Keep the ports clean. Support wireless charging. What you get: 1x Samsung Galaxy S21 case, 2x self-healing flexible TPU screen protector, 2x camera lens protector, 2x cleaning kit. Our products come with 90 days warranty. If you have any questions or anything you feel unsatisfied, just contact us via Amazon at any time. Before continuing, if this video brought you value, give me a like, subscribe, join, discover, share. It costs you nothing, it's free, and you help me a lot, and God bless you. On Amazon, save money, find the product you need, have fun, and make the best decisions. Simple and direct. Fast shipping from Amazon. Amazonia Express is your trusted channel.